Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making Parfait. I will use pineapple, kiwi and apple. I have already cut everything together. I have already washed it and cut them. Now I am going to put them in cube sizes. You can use any fruit you have. You can use grapefruit and any kind of fruit. Just mix them together, and it's good for breakfast and this cold hot weather. It's good for the hot weather. Just put your yogurt in, and I'll use granola. My granola is tropical granola, so it has a lot of fruit inside. So I am going to top them up. I keep topping it up and you put another granola, and then top them. I'm using almond, and then I'll add chocolate, dark chocolate to it. So it's not sweetened chocolate, it's dark Dutch chocolate. So I am going to add other things in it. You can add anything you want, just granola and yogurt. Put the fruit inside there, and you can top it up with anything you like, be it honey. And I'm going to use maple syrup for this one. So I'm going to use it at least to sweeten it a bit, because my yogurt is Greek yogurt, so you can use sweetened yogurt if you want. So I am drizzling the maple syrup for the test. Look at it, it's so beautiful, yummy. And I'm going to add another one. This one is with custard and rhubarb. It's natural natural fruit, that is, I think it's natural syrup. It's natural syrup. So I am going to add them rhubarb and custard. You can use anything just to beautify it. You can also use strawberry yogurt to mix it up, to make it different colors, vanilla, any kind of yogurt you want. Just use granola to just beautify it. It's so beautiful. It's for our stomach, but then when you look at it, it looks very, very appetizing. Put more, just top it up. What you are doing, just top it up. Put them there, top it up, and it's you see all the fruit in, and then all the everything in. Just the difference between this one and that one is just that that one is maple syrup, and this one is rhubarb and custard syrup. And just to sweeten it up, you can as well eat it that way. It doesn't matter. Then I'll put the dark chocolate. This dark chocolate is optional. Put anything you like. You can serve it to your visitor. You can enjoy it for your own self. You can eat it in your own self. It doesn't matter. It's not only visitors that eat good things. You yourself, you can take care of yourself. Eat it in a sunny day, and look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.